In this video, I'm going to show you how to disable sound recognition on iPhone on iOS 18. So if you have installed the iOS 18 version on your iPhone and the sound recognition can easily recognize any sound playing by the side, once you turn this on like this, you should see music recognition, then you should be able to turn off this on your iPhone on iOS 18. So if you're done with this video, you found this video helpful and informative, please don't forget to like and subscribe. All you need to do this is go to your iPhone settings. Now, while on the settings page, scroll down and look for accessibility. Here, then click on that. Once you selected accessibility, you want to scroll down. Keep scrolling until you get to hearing. And there you see no sound found. Go on to hearing and click on sound recognition. In my own case, you can see I have this turned off. So if you turn this on, this is going to recognize any sound playing around you, and this may cause problem for you. Each time a song is played, the device will try to recognize it. So you can just go back to the settings and make sure this is turned off. But now you can see your iPhone continuously listen for certain sound, and using on-device intelligence will notify you when sound may be recognized. So go ahead and turn this off to turn off this feature on your iPhone on iOS 18. So this is how you can easily disable sound recognition on iPhone running on iOS 18 or later version. So if this is helpful and informative, please don't forget to like and subscribe.